If you have one idea and I have one idea, I give you my idea, you give me your idea. You will have two ideas, I will have two ideas. And we show people the real meaning of resilience and never give up. The light of goodness shine in every life insurance agent who work with ethics and professionalism. As much as we can let people know about the life insurance profession, as much as we can see our societies is growing and developing information for the agent, brokers, the managers, the CEOs, the new generation, why they should join the life insurance profession, train, develop, teach, inspire, motivate the life insurance and financial advisor in Lebanon, in the region, to be strong enough to teach all the countries what's a real meaning of having financial freedom.
Με τον καιρό, η ασφάλιση γίνεται όλο και πιο απρόσωπη. Στην HJS Insurance πιστεύουμε ότι η προσωπική επικοινωνία είναι η καλύτερη μέθοδος για να συμβουλεύσουμε τους πελάτες μας σχετικά με την οικονομική τους προστασία ενάντια σε απρόβλεπτα γεγονότα της ζωής. Γιατί μόνο ένας άνθρωπος μπορεί να κατανοήσει έναν συνάνθρωπο. Οι έμπειροι ασφαλιστικοί μας σύμβουλοι είναι έτοιμοι να σας εξυπηρετήσουν προσφέροντας προσωπική εξυπηρέτηση, συμβουλεύοντάς σας καθ' όλη τη διάρκεια της διαδικασίας για να αποκτήσετε το κατάλληλο πλάνο ασφάλισης. Ο εμπιστός σας ασφαλιστικός σύμβουλος.
Ποιος είπε ότι η ασφάλιση πρέπει να είναι δύσκολη και πολύπλοκη? Καλώς ορίσατε σε έναν κόσμο όπου η ασφάλεια έγινε εύκολη υπόθεση. Καλώς ορίσατε στην So Easy Insurance, όπου η εμπειρία συναντά την καινοτομία και η ασφάλιση πάβει να είναι περίπλοκη. Από την παγκόσμια αγορά, με προορισμό την καρδιά της Κύπρου, στόχος μας είναι η συνεργασία με κορυφαίες διεθνείς εταιρείες, εξασφαλίζοντας τις πλέον αξιόπιστες λύσεις για τους πελάτες μας. Από την ιδέα στην πραγματικότητα, η So Easy αλλάζει τον τρόπο που βλέπουμε την ασφάλεια. Με εξειδικευμένους συνεργάτες και τεχνολογικές καινοτομίες, δημιουργούμε λύσεις που είναι προσαρμοσμένες στις ανάγκες κάθε πελάτη. Με ένα μεγάλο δίκτυο ασφαλιστικών συμβούλων, η So Easy Insurance είναι πάντα εδώ, προσφέροντας ασφάλεια και αξιοπιστία. Ελάτε στη μεγάλη κοινότητα της So Easy και ανακαλύψτε την απλότητα και την αξιοπιστία στην ασφάλιση. So Easy Insurance. Κάναμε την ασφάλιση εύκολη υπόθεση.
Φίλες και φίλοι, γεια σας. Σας καλωσορίζω σε ακόμα ένα επεισόδιο της εκπομπής Talks, που έρχεται κοντά σας με την ευγενική υποστήριξη των χορηγών μας. Από την έναρξη της λειτουργίας του, το Cyprus Insurance News στηρίζει σταθερά όλα τα σημαντικά συνέδρια που συμβαίνουν τόσο στην Κύπρο αλλά και στην ευρύτερη περιοχή. Ένα τέτοιο συνέδριο είναι το BLIS Experience που πραγματοποιείται τα τελευταία 6 χρόνια στο Λίβανο, προσελκύοντας κάθε χρόνο τόσο συμμετέχοντες αλλά και εταιρείες χορηγούς και από τη χώρα μας. Φέτος, την 7η χρονιά που διοργανώνεται το συγκεκριμένο συνέδριο, το BLIS έρχεται στην Κύπρο και συγκεκριμένα στο Παβίλιο στη Λευκοσία, σε μια εκδήλωση που αναμένεται να προσελκύσει διεθνείς ομιλητές, διεθνείς συνέδρους, αλλά και το ενδιαφέρον της εγχώριας ασφαλιστικής αγοράς. Γι' αυτό τον λόγο σήμερα έχω μαζί μου τον εμπνευστή και ιδρυτή του BLIS Experience, Naji Haddad, για να κάνουμε μια συζήτηση για το συνέδριο και να μας πει όλα όσα πρέπει να γνωρίζουμε. Θα συνεχίσουμε αυτή τη συζήτηση στα αγγλικά και θα υπάρχουν στη διάρκεια του επεισοδίου ελληνικοί υπότιτλοι στο κάτω μέρος. Dear Naji, I welcome you to our TV show, Insurance Talks, to speak about the upcoming BLIS Experience Summit.
First, kalimera, kalispera to all of our attendees and who they are watching us, and thank you for this podcast and for welcoming me in this session. Thank you.
It's our pleasure and honor to have you here with us.
Same for me.
I think BLIS Experience it's an important event for the whole area. Europe, Middle East, and
Thank
it's
God.
very good that it's important for the domestic insurance industry that this year will happen in Cyprus. So I believe we have a lot to talk.
Attend, yes, to talk about. Yeah.
So I would like to start by asking you tell us a few words about the inspiration behind BLIS. 6-7 years ago, when you organized the first one in Lebanon, tell us a few words. What was the initial inspiration, let's say?
To tell you the truth, Panayotis, and thank you for this time. I've been attending MDRT from 2006, and every year I was traveling to Canada, to America, to Europe to attend all the events all around the world. And one time I told myself, why always we need to travel to watch an international event? Why not to bring the speakers, and especially to Beirut, to Lebanon, to my country that I love so much, and Cyprus is my second country. So to let people come to my country and to have this event. To be honest, they told me, you're crazy, Naji, to put the life insurance agent under one roof and to bring people from outside Lebanon to come to Lebanon to attend an event. This is something crazy. And you know, when you have a will, there is a way. And thank God this is our 7 years. And this time we're doing our 7 years event in Cyprus, in Nicosia, as you said, in Pavilion Convention Center for the 7 years consecutive all the time, with all the challenges that we pass with the BLIS.
How has the BLIS conference evolved over those all years from its beginning?
To be honest, the first time, or the first idea that came to my mind, I saw that there is a big gap in trust between the life insurance companies and the market and the consumer. And I found that the who make this gap, it's not the insurance companies and not the market. The issue was from the people who work in the life insurance profession. So I thought that we need to make an event to train, develop, teach, inspire, motivate the life insurance and financial advisor in Lebanon, in the region, to show them the real meaning of our mission in the life insurance profession. And this is how it started. And after we found that there is a gap also in the management, so we start doing and evolving sessions for the management. After we found that also the new generation, they need the support why they should join the financial planning and life insurance. And we start growing year after year after year. And this year, I can tell you, in BLIS 2024, we are covering sessions and information for the agent, brokers, the managers, the CEOs, the new generation, why they should join the life insurance profession, and most important, for the consumer, how he should look into the life insurance profession and how he should benefit from the life insurance profession.
Perfect. We'll speak more in the next minutes about the program of this year's events. My next questions, I would like to tell us a few words about the meaning behind this year's theme, which is stronger wings, wider horizons. And what are the key objectives of this year's BLIS Experience Summit?
You know, it's about the alliances. You know, if you want to fly any plane, if she want to fly, they need 2 wings, and this is what we're planning and we prepared and put in our program for this year. We need stronger wings in order to fly so high. So that's why we need the alliances between different professions, from the insurance to the financial planning, to the life insurance, to the non-life insurance, to the lawyers, auditors, different professions. They need to align together how we can protect the consumer in a better way. And stronger wings, wider horizon, and at the same time we need to look into outside the box, and we need to look about also the technology and how we can use the technology and a new way of doing business in a way, and to communicate with the people in a different way. And that's why the focus of this event to bring all these alliances together, and at the same time to bring all this technology and information from the top-notch speakers from all around the world to talk and show a real example how the stronger wings, wider horizon can help us go to the next level in our business and in our life.
Mhm. And usually summits and conferences are, I think, the first objective of each one attending those events, it's the networking. So tell us, what opportunities does BLIS gives to people for networking and professional growth?
I think this is became a key in our event, because we focus on the networking and on the connection. We build a very good family. BLIS become a real family. You see people, they are waiting from year to another to meet each other, and they build this connection. Last year, we had people from almost 17 countries. They came to Lebanon, and they become friends together. We make these alliances, we make this networking and the connection between the insurance company, the management of the insurance companies, between the big brokers, between the attendees, and they start sharing their real ideas and knowledge and experience, and at the same time they share their life stories, and this is most important. So I think BLIS become a BLIS family for everyone. It's about, and that's why we named it BLIS Experience. It's about experience that you take from this event. It's not an event, it's an experience, because from day one you reach to the airport, from you leave the event, you have experience from everything, from morning till night, and from this connection and networking.
Do you have examples from last years that people was connected and
Indeed,
new cooperations born during the event?
I can tell you, you know, and I always tell all the insurance agent, brokers, companies even, we're not a competitor. You know why, Panayotis? Because in the region, all the insurance companies, all the brokers, all the agent, till now we didn't cover 10% of the market. And the market, they need us. It's not about going and selling the market. It's about going and supporting and helping and serving and protecting the market. And I want to say something. I read it many years ago in the book of Pope II, Jean-Paul II. He said, the light of goodness shine in every life insurance agent who work with ethics and professionalism. And you know, the life insurance agent and brokers and companies, they start seeing this. And I'm glad to say that yes, till now, we have many companies that are collaborating together. We have many advisors that collaborating together and sharing their knowledge and their experience. And this is how we grow and to be a better together.
Yeah.
Together, we can grow better.
Especially in Cyprus, what I am observing all these years that I'm speaking with people is that, as you said, and I think MDRT has a big contribution to this, is insurance agent between them, they don't feel this competition
Indeed.
anymore, but they feel as peers and colleagues that they are working for the same objective. And something else that many say, and I believe also, it always will be, we will always have more customers that any one agent can serve actually. So
Indeed.
So
Indeed. And you know, and thank you for mentioning MDRT and all these ideas and all this creativity and all what we thought about. It came when I started attending MDRT, and I saw the first time Panayotis I went to MDRT, I thought that I'm going to watch an event to make me a better salesman, a better closing deal, a better advisor, a better producer. And you know what I found? MDRT is the place where they work on ourselves, how to be a better human being, a better person.
Yeah.
Because as much as we can develop ourselves to be a better human being, a better person, everything else will follow. And this is what we're doing, trying to do in BLIS. It's all about developing ourselves to be a better messenger in our society, in our family, in our company. And in the region, there is big opportunity, but at the same time, there is a big gap. And all together, we can fill this gap. No one can do it alone. No company could do it alone. The collaboration and together, we can fill this gap and show the consumer, the market, that a different way how to look to our profession, because this is a profession and not a business.
Yeah, correct. And I will add that as the generations change and the way that people interact in the business environment change, I believe it's also more difficult to be a good professional without being a good human.
100%.
Especially in professions like the insurance, which the human is the center of all we do.
That's it, 100%. It doesn't matter, let's say, from where, which family you are coming from, or which company or which country. It's all about what you're doing to the people. You know, sometimes I meet a agent from countries that they think they have a lot of problems, and they work and they develop and they support and they work to make their countries in a better way. I still remember in the book of Churchill, he said, as much as we can let people know about the life insurance profession, as much as we can see our societies is growing and developing, to see less problems in our countries. In some countries like America, like Germany, like Japan, they understand when you cultivate the ideas of financial freedom, you are developing your societies and your people and the nation. And our profession can play a big role in this part, to develop people and support them to have their financial freedom. And who can do this? We can do this as a life insurance profession and our profession. And we need to show the people our profession in different way.
Yeah. Let's go back to the event, and I will ask you to highlight some of the most impactful, let's say, sessions and speakers that you will have in BLIS this year.
Look, first of all, sure, we have a session that I'm proud that the first time in history, the two legends of the life insurance profession will be performing live together on the stage, the first time in history in our profession. Tony Gordon and Solomon Hicks, they will be on the stage together for the first time in history. And this session, it will go live, online, streaming live, free of charge for all the globe, from Cyprus, from Nicosia, and to show the world the real meaning of how to build a family, how to be a better human being, about the wisdom, about how to make it to the top. And they will share their wisdom as a people, as a parent, as a husband, as a producer, and they will talk about all their successful. I'm proud, and this session, it will be the first time live from Cyprus. Mm-hmm. The second session, and also it will be live, streaming live, we're talking to the new generation. And in this also, I ask all the students, all the people that are thinking to move, to change their profession, to watch this session, to know why life insurance and why to work in the life insurance profession. It will be like introductory session about what's our profession and why people, they should join our profession. Second, third, we have a session about a life case study about a person that she already struggled from the and she is a cancer survivor, and what life insurance play a big role in her life. Besides these sessions, sure, we have a session for the alliances between the manager and CEOs. We have a private session with Dr. Sanjay Tolani. We have a big names coming to BLIS, to Cyprus this year. I don't know if you want me to mention them now or later.
If you have a breaking news to give us, it will be welcome.
So let's announce some name. Sure, beside of Tony Gordon, the legend Tony Gordon and Solomon Hicks, we have the past president of MDRT, Brian Hackett. He's coming all the way from America. We have Kaplan Mowbray and Asven Chauhan. They will be the MC of the event. And this is something we are doing it for the first time. We have Khalid Yunis. We have Abraham Zarour. We have Amber Forty. And she's the first lady that she do paragliding from Europe. And she will talk about her story. We have almost Panayotis, more than 20 international speakers. They will be here in October 23, 24, 25 October in Nicosia in Cyprus.
Perfect. And now I will ask you a more personal question. As I said in the start, you are the man that inspired BLIS and thought about this happening in Lebanon. What are your challenges as Naji, personal challenges faced all those years you are organizing this event? And tell us a few more and some words about your team. I know that you are not alone in this.
Indeed.
So
I have Jad Dagher, J.W. Dagher, that he's the project manager of BLIS. He's my consultant, he's my friend, he's my brother. And we dreamed about this many years ago when we started in the life insurance profession, 2002. And we thought about that we need to do something to change the way people, how to look into our profession. Mm-hmm. To tell you the truth, Panayotis, yes, every year this is we have a lots of challenges that we have to make such events. Especially, this is not our it's not our job. I'm a life insurance agent. I'm a financial advisor, and I make my living from serving, protecting, giving solution to my clients, and this is my job. And especially we face lots of challenges, especially all these years in Lebanon. And you know Beirut, you know the challenges, you know the countries. And every year we had the problems before or after BLIS event. And thank God, every time people, they They come, they enjoy, and they leave safely from Lebanon. I put in my mind that someone he need to lead this, someone he need to do this for the region. Yes, I started in Beirut. We started in Beirut, but it's grow, and thank God we gather people from the region. Lebanon, he's the first country that he started the life insurance profession in 1952. And the first life insurance agent from the region, it was Zaki Zahir, the guy that he started the life insurance. And I'm trying to show the world that this region, we have lots of capability, lot of strength, lot of power. With all the difficulties that we have, we need to show the world the real meaning of resilience and never give up. And I can't hide on you that many times, even the closest friends to me, they told me, Naji, stop what you're doing. I remember 2021, my mother, she was telling my wife, Sabine, tell Naji to stop BLIS. It's taking lots of his time, of his effort. He's taking a high risk to make such event. So please tell him to stop the event. And I told Sabine, whatever it will take, I will not stop this, because this is not for us. It's not for me. It's not for Lebanon. This is what we need to show the world and the region what we should do, especially in our profession. Our profession, we are a messenger, and we need to grow this family to be strong enough to teach all the countries what's a real meaning of having financial freedom and developing our profession.
Very good. And now tell us a few words how BLIS contributing all those years to advancing financial education and wealth management practices in the region, and actually what impact you believe you had BLIS until now in the financial industry of the region?
I think we play a big role, especially with the speakers that we have, the panel discussion that we have, from the general manager of the insurance company that they sponsor the event every year, from the top advisors, from the even other professional industry that they are bringing every year, from technology to leaders to big coach. During the last 6 years, Panayotis, we bring more than 100 international speakers. We make many panel discussion. We develop a really big time in the region. Now many people, they know each other, they collaborate each other, they network each other, they connect, and they are sharing their experiences. And this is what we need to continue developing year after year after year. And sure, we're taking lots of support from many associations in the world, how they develop this in their countries. And in our region, we have a very good people. And we're trying every year to put the light on them. We try every year to honor someone that he really give lots of effort, and he make a very successful story in our profession. So we put the light on to honor Zaki Zahir, Ricardo Saimin, Ashok Sardana, Habib Shammas, and many other. I don't want to forget Mehdi Fakhrizada. So, and this year also we are honoring some another person also. The experience that we put it on the wealth management, wealth protection, and financial education, we show the world that our and the agent and the brokers and the companies, that our profession, we need always to develop ourselves and our learning curve, because as much as we develop our knowledge, and this is what always Tony Gordon, Solomon Hicks, and Sanjay Talani, they mention, the knowledge is the power. Yeah. And as we, as a life insurance profession and financial advisor, we need to develop all the time. If we want to develop our profession, if we want to develop our business, we need to develop our knowledge. And knowledge is a power. To know exactly what we're doing and how we can protect, especially the family businesses, the families, and the persons.
Mhm. Can you remember a success story from those years that you can share with us? Let's say the best time or the best highlight of the past events that you can remember now.
Beside all what we did,
Mhm.
really it's about the experience. And everyone, they saw in the BLIS that it's all about giving back to society. It's about how to help people live with dignity and leave a legacy. And there is a lot of touching stories that we had during BLIS from supporting the societies. I still remember in 2021, when during COVID, we did BLIS Experience after the biggest explosion, the second biggest explosion in the world in Beirut. We did the BLIS event, and we gave a theme of the event, Rise and Rise Again. And we show people the real meaning of resilience and never give up. And I still remember, because of BLIS, many technician, production team, the hotel even that we did the seminar in it, they came to me and they were crying and they were telling me, Naji, thank you. Because this is the first event that we did in 2020 during COVID. BLIS, it's not about me. It's not only about our profession. It's about giving back to societies and supporting our market, our business, and our countries. It's let the people have a job. I still remember that some people they met in BLIS, they were volunteering, and they met some insurance companies, and because of BLIS, they offered them a job. This touching me a lot when I see that we are opening job opportunities, we are connecting people. Some of the speakers, even the speakers, international speakers in 2021, they told me, Naji, thank you. This is the first speech I'm giving outside my country after COVID. And it gave me lots of energy. I'm telling you, Panayotis, thank God we built a very good family. People, they are waiting year after year after year to come and connect. We are showing the people that we are a human being. Money, it comes and it goes. Legacy, it's by leaving something in the people's life, not leaving something for the people's life. And thank God we're trying as much as we can to have this touching story in every person who's attending BLIS, and there is a many.
Very nice. What I'm receiving from people, I can confirm that from people that attended the past events that, and I think the last year we did some small interviews with people that was attended the event. I can confirm what you said, that
Thank you.
they describe it as something important for their profession and for their growth.
You know, Panayotis, this event, it's for it's all together. It's not me, it's not the team.
Yeah.
It's not only even the speakers. Really, it's the touching. If you listen to the testimonial that we get, even from the speakers, even from the sponsors, that it's like a networking event. It's like experience event. And this family, thank God, is growing.
Mhm.
And to be honest, this year we came to Cyprus. First of all, beside the situation that's happening in Beirut, Second, to teach the people the real meaning of ethics and values, and how you say thank you to a country that's supporting you. And many people, they told us, why you're doing in Cyprus? Why you don't do it, let's say, in other countries that they have the financial situation, they can support you big time, like Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar.
Yeah.
And you know that these countries, how much they spend. And I told them, the first time I'm going outside Beirut, I want to do it in Cyprus, to tell the Cypriot people thank you, to tell the insurance companies, Cypriot insurance companies and agents and brokers thank you. Because of Cyprus, we continue doing what we're doing, and every year the numbers and attendees, they are coming to Lebanon or to BLIS event from Cyprus. Last year we had 240 people only from Cyprus. So, and I want to thank you, Panayotis, for all the support all these years, really. And I want to thank all the insurance companies, the agent, the brokers, because this is, I can tell you, the successful of BLIS, it came from the support from everyone.
Very good. And before we close our discussion, I know that we are working 100%.
Very hard.
Yes, very hard on this year's event. But I would ask you, and for future plans about BLIS, what you are thinking for the next year. Not, I'm sure that this year will be success, but tell us if you have any plans for the next 5 years, let's say, about BLIS.
Look, we need to talk more and more with the new generation. We need to talk more and more with the consumer. We need to open collaboration more and more with, we need to put our power together. If you have an idea, if you have $1 in your pocket, €1 in your pocket, and I have €1 in my pocket, and I give you the €1 and you give me the euro that you have, what we will have? €1, €1 it will stay the same.
Yeah.
But if you have one idea and I have one idea, I give you my idea, you give me your idea. You will have 2 ideas, I will have 2 ideas. It's all about connecting each other, collaborating each other. The region need such event and more to grow the life insurance profession. Till now, we only cover, as I said in the beginning, only 10% of the people that are insured with the insurance company. 90% of them, they are even underinsured. There is more opportunity to help them protect their dreams, goals, and worries. And that's why we need to develop as much as we can our profession. This event and other event, MDRT, and all the event that's happening in the region, especially in the region, it will help to grow our profession. We need to have more people in our profession. This profession, sooner or later, should be like a degree in university. So someone, he will study, like we study to be a lawyer, like we study to be engineer, like we study to be economist. We need to study how to be a life insurance agent and financial advisor. And should be, this is a mandatory, like any other profession in every society. This is my vision for the coming 5 years. And sure, this vision, I cannot do it by myself. We need the collaboration from everyone to see that this platform is for everyone, to grow with everyone, and to do it better and better and better.
Thank you very much. Before close our discussions, and thank you for your presence here.
I thank you, Panayotis. Thank you.
I will ask you if you have something more that we missed during our discussions that you want to mention. And
first of all, I want to even thank my team that really I couldn't make it if I don't have the support of my family, my wife, with because I spend a lot of time to prepare for this. I want to thank Jad Dagher, the project manager, the owner of Expand company, with all that he's planning. I want to thank all the insurance company and all the attendees. And most important, I want to thank really the speakers that every year they are coming and they come again and again, all the speakers to our event, because this event, it's because all together we're making such a beautiful event. I want to tell everyone, don't miss this opportunity, not because we are doing this event, not at all. First of all, we came all the way from Beirut to Cyprus, especially for the Cypriot people. Don't miss such event. This event will give you all the knowledge that you need in order to grow as a person, as a family member, as a developer, as a producer, and to develop your business in our profession. We grow by learning, we grow by motivation, and we grow by inspiration. And this is what we're doing and try to do year after year in the BLIS. Thank you, Cyprus, for giving us this opportunity. And really, we look forward to do something outstanding from the beautiful island, Cyprus, and from Nicosia, and to let all the countries come here. And thank God, till now, we have attendees from almost 20 countries. They registered already. So book your seats. Don't wait for the last minute. Be prepared. Come, network, connect, learn, inspire, and take all what you need to go and help you to develop yourself and your business. And thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Naji. We're looking forward for the event, and of course, we will be there as Cyprus Insurance News to cover all the important things before and during and after the event. And
I want to thank you also, Panayotis, for being the media partner of our event.
It's our pleasure.
Believing in our mission and really supporting us all these years, and looking forward all together to show the world the real meaning of our profession. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless our countries. God bless our region. And God bless our profession, because this profession can play a big role in every society, especially in the region. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank everyone that will see our episode. And we will be again together for another one episode in 2 weeks. Thank you very much.
Thank you.